When a drug binds to a receptor, does it always produce the maximum possible response? Not always. So, what exactly makes a drug a full agonist? Let's understand it in the simplest way. First, let's understand the basic idea. An agonist is a drug that binds to a receptor and activates it, producing a biological response. So remember, agonist means bind and activate. Now comes the important part. A full agonist is a drug that, when it activates its receptor, can produce the maximum possible response of that system. In simple words, full agonist equals full response. Even when we increase the drug concentration, the response can reach the maximum level that the system is capable of producing. Think of a simple light switch. A full agonist is like turning the switch completely on. The receptor is activated and the system can produce its maximum response. This is a simple way to remember the concept. As the concentration of a full agonist increases, its response generally increases until it reaches the maximum effect, called Emax. After reaching Emax, increasing the concentration further cannot produce a greater maximum response in that system. This maximum response is an important concept for competitive exams. Now don't confuse a full agonist with a partial agonist. A full agonist can produce the maximum response, whereas a partial agonist produces a lower maximum response, even when it occupies the receptors. The key concept here is efficacy, the ability of a drug to produce a response after binding to the receptor. A classic pharmacological example of a full agonist is morphine. Morphine activates the mu opioid receptor and can produce a high maximum response. Remember, the exact response also depends on the biological system and experimental conditions. Now let's test your understanding. Which statement best describes a full agonist? A. Binds to a receptor but produces no response. B. Produces the maximum possible response. C. Produces only a partial response. Or D. Blocks receptor activation. Take 5 seconds and choose your answer. The correct answer is B. Produces the maximum possible response. A full agonist binds to and activates its receptor and is capable of producing the maximum response of that system. That's why we associate a full agonist with maximum efficacy. Here's your medicine mirror memory trick. Full agonist equals full response. Full activation potential, maximum response. Just remember, full gives maximum. Let's quickly recap. An agonist binds to a receptor and activates it. A full agonist is capable of producing the maximum response of the system. And the key term to remember is maximum efficacy. Full agonist, full response. And now you know what makes an agonist a full agonist. In the next video, we'll look at the partial agonist and understand why it cannot produce the same maximum response. Until then, keep learning and keep looking at medicines differently. This is Medicine Mirror, a new way to understand medicines.